a colossus on the road, a Schwarzkopf dreaming heavy load. Piece by piece the magic waits, behind the fences, behind the gates. 5 bright rings in slumber deep, the giant waiting to awake from sleep. Hear the engines, hear them humming, Olympia Looping's power coming. Soon the skylight will be crowned by the greatest ride on the fairground. Oats and beans and perfect lines, curved like garden steel designs. Schwarzkopf legacy in every bend, a master D's that towns befriend. Cranes are lifting, workers guiding, 5 rings rising, uniting, gliding, orange crack glowing in the light. A traveling wonder taking flight. Raise the reins, the skyline sing, Schwarzkopf steel on soaring wing. From city to city the legend grows. Olympia Looping steel for shows. Now the track is left and true, blazing orange in its hue. The trains are polished, brakes aligned, a masterpiece of engineering mind. Separate orbits on the stump, feel the heartbeat like a drum. From the fairground to the sky, Olympia Looping's born to fly. Up the train we ride together, from via the bend the weather. Every break a countdown beat, every second lift your seat. Hold on tight, hold on tight. The world is grinding. 5 rings waiting, never ending. Up we soar where the brave ones go. Now the sky begins to glow. 5 rings of light, hold on tight. The fairground roars beneath the flies. Every sing, every mile, every mile, every mile. Olympia Looping makes you smile. We trust, we scream, we fly. 5 rings blazing through the sky. Back to earth, the brakes engage, but your heart still turns the page. The rings keep echoing inside, a memory forged by the ride. When the final macro still and the lights fade on the hill, the rings come down with practiced grace, a steel farewell to this farewell place. Piece by piece the dream is stored, loaded gently, safely moored. The trucks roll out before sunrise, chasing new and waiting skies. Every engine starts anew, another town awaits the view. 5 rings rolling down the line, Schwarzkopf's legacy. Climbers through the night, guided by the fairground light. Soon another city sings. Here they come, the fire.